Welcome back to Overheat, Brabus Motorhome 2026, traveling in style on wheels. With updated front and rear fascias that can incorporate a diffuser and roof spoiler, the exterior boasts better aerodynamics. Exclusive wheels, the iconic Brabus monoblock forged alloy wheels, which are available in a variety of sizes and finishes, will be the main attraction. Cutting-edge LED lighting, a full LED lighting system for the headlights, taillights, and other external illumination ensures excellent visibility and aesthetic appeal. An integrated automated awning, spacious, easily accessible outdoor storage areas, and even a modular roof rack system for moving additional equipment are examples of high-end exterior features. Inside, modular design. Despite the fact that Brabus RVs are usually custom-built, a modular layout that may be modified to satisfy certain needs is feasible. Brabus is renowned for utilizing only the highest quality materials. Kitchen features include a full-size refrigerator freezer, an induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, a microwave, a convection oven, and plenty of storage space. Comfortable sleeping area. The bed will include a high-quality mattress, individual reading lighting, and possibly an integrated entertainment system. Technology for smart homes. An integrated touch-sensitive control system will regulate every aspect of the RV, including the temperature, lighting, entertainment, and security. There will be a top-notch entertainment system with a flat-screen TV and strong cellular and Wi-Fi access. Improved engine performance. If the Mercedes-Benz diesel engine is based on the Sprinter, Brabus will significantly improve engine performance. Increasing horsepower and torque. Improved suspension, a more stable and comfortable ride is provided by Brabus painstakingly tuned suspension system. Advanced braking system. Brabus's updated braking system will ensure optimal safety with increased stopping force, independent energy system, and efficient generator. Large capacity lithium-ion batteries and roof-mounted solar panels will ensure the maximum degree of energy independence.